Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Arfa Haikal Benjamin. My metric number is 10DLS 22F2074. Uh, our team decided to open the car wash service for this business plan. So first, I will give an introduction about our business. A car wash or auto wash is a facility used to clean the exterior and in some cases the interior of car. Car washes can be self-service. Full service with attendant who wash the vehicle or fully automated, possibly connected to a filling station. Our target demographic range follow the taste of vehicle user. Vehicle user who want to keep their vehicle clean and in a good condition are our target market. We use service. Service refer to activities, benefit or satisfaction offered by a company. It is intangible and does not result in the ownership of anything. It may or may not be tied to a physical product. For example, auto repair, tuition, spa center, and other. Service cannot be stored for later sale or use. Perishability of service is not a problem when demand is steady. However, when demand fluctuates, service company often face problem. For instance, our car wash company cannot perform service if there is not enough labor. For example, labor have problem coming to work due to health factor. We also manufacture equipment product for car washing. For example, such as car wash, car polish, tire polish, and air freshener. Explain about our target marketing. Our first target marketing is owner of vehicle. The second target marketing is to all land vehicle. We also will open our business around Ipoh Kelebang area. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Zarul Irfan bin Ikhwan Hafiz. Number matric 10DLS 22F 2023. I want to explain to you product classification. Number one, core product. When our customer use our car wash services, they not only pay for to take care of the beauty of their vehicle, even their services can also ensure that their vehicle is in good condition. Number two, actual product. Our company provided high quality services such as tire polishing so that it stay long. Number three, augmented product. Our company will offer a discount price for customer who have done services with us more than 10 times, and we will give gift to those customers. This will attract those customers to do services with us from other companies. Number two, public relation. Supervises and assesses public attitude. Number two, maintaining mutual relation and organization and its public improvers channel of communication and to institute new ways of setting up a two-way flow of information and understanding. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman Naim bin Hairul Anwar, matrix number 10DLS 22F 2086, class DLS 1B. Today I will discuss about pricing discussion. Pricing discussion, we will consider services based on the vehicle. One motorcycle equal to 8 ringgit. Next, one car equal to 50 ringgit. And the last one lorry equal to 25 ringgit. Furthermore, we also do some membership for customer who have more than time which our company, they will get one-time free services. Next, direct channel. Distribution discussion of the company is a channel that is not an intermediary for road vehicle washing service. We do not use middlemen to deliver washing services to consumer.
They got three elements of promotion mix: sales promotion, advertising promotion, and public relations. First of all, sales promotion. To obtaining an immediate response, give certification to customer, attract customer so that don't run away. Direct channel. The distribution decision of the company is a channel that is not an intermediary for road vehicles washing services. We do not use middlemen to deliver washing services to consumers.
Nama saya Karuna Karen, Analiti Benabalan. Matrix nombor saya 10 DLS 22F 2084. Personal selling. Objective: making, selling and provide car wash service so that customers do not have to waste energy and time to wash it themselves. Prospective buyers: residential area and city.